Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be in West End at the Town Center, and I am with Chris of ICI Homes, who are building the beautiful townhomes, by the way, exclusive to ICI Homes. And this townhome in particular that we're going to see today is a quick move-in, but what's great about this location is we are steps away from Lakely Park. So Curling is panning over to that. Lakely Park has the beautiful pond that you can fish in, by the way, but also great benches. So it gives you that view because so many people love sitting by the water. So you can walk out at night with your cocktail, go walk down there, go have a coffee in the morning. And this beautiful home, Chris, I am excited for you to tell us about.
Yeah, so this one here is move-in ready. This is our end unit, our Bartram model. It's one of our fan favorites. So a lot of people like this one. It has a lot of great features.
Townhomes have become very popular in Nocatee, and ICI Homes has built some beautiful floor plans. And like Chris was saying, this particular floor plan has been a favorite of many buyers here in West End at the Town Center. And as we walk in, look at all the natural light coming in.
Yes, this one is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. And like she said, a lot of natural light, natural gas community.
I love the kitchen, so open floor plan. And ICI Homes is just showing you what you can put in it. Like you can have a nice rectangle table, but look at this beautiful kitchen. And Chris, you guys do the soft close drawers, correct?
Correct, which is a nice feature to have.
So you've got the deep drawers, and West End is a town center favorite because it is a gas community also. So gas, people love the gas tops, and then a beautiful farmhouse sink. And Chris, what are some of the benefits to living here in the town center?
So we're just a short walk from the YMCA, a short walk from the town center, and it's a very comfortable, convenient, luxury living area all blended together.
So lots of convenience, and I have to pause because Carling, this pantry, thank you ICI Homes. That is a gorgeous pantry. It's big. Again, they just put the wire racks in there. You can customize it exactly how you want it, but great storage. And that's one thing with this Bartram floor plan that you're gonna see throughout. There is a lot of storage in this particular townhome. And again, an end unit. So I want to reiterate that. This is an end unit. We've got, look at the rounded corner right here. So a lot of attention to detail.
Yeah, and we're also maintenance free also, which is covered in the HOA.
Okay, everyone, maintenance free, covered in your HOA, which Chris, do they pay that monthly, quarterly? How is that paid?
That will be paid monthly. Okay,
so monthly HOA. So guys, you just want to, almost like a lock and leave. This is for you. This is actually my dream situation, Chris, where I don't have to worry about the yard. I don't have to worry about anything. It's being taken care of. Yeah. You've got a nice half bath here. So also we're showing that because your guests, of course, when they come, they don't have to go upstairs, which upstairs where we're headed, that's of course where the main bedrooms are. This particular floor plan, full 2-car garage, correct?
Correct.
So 2-car garage, you could fit 2 big cars in here. And then also, as we're going up the stairs, I want to remind people that Lakely Park and steps away with this Bartram model, you are connected to the fitness trails of Nocatee. Nocatee has over 30 miles of interconnected trails. What that means is you can come out your front door and jump on that trail system, getting to all the communities, all the businesses, but you can walk, you can ride your bike, and yes, you can golf cart, but I'll be honest with you, living here in the town center, I would just have a bicycle because I'm literally so close to everything. As Chris said, the YMCA, Baptist Health Place, UF Health, Publix, the brand new Chop House, which is Nocatee's newest steakhouse. There is so much to do. The water parks of Nocatee,
Yes,
Food Truck Fridays.
Everything's intertwined, and there's a lot of parking for your bike and golf cart if you did decide to take either one of those.
So that's a good point. If maybe you go to one car, get a golf cart,
right?
You know, that's the benefits again to this town center location. And what we just saw, by the way, 2 secondary bedrooms, and Carling went in one of them that had the walk-in closet, and that's a linen closet. So again, we're seeing storage. Chris, this space up here, we've got a nice landing zone.
Yeah, so you have some extra space up here. You could make this an office area. You could put a pool table here, some sofas, a TV, really make it a game area. Or
A reading area, I mean, a little library. There's so much you can do, but this is really the homeowner's space on the second floor.
Right.
Basically, your entertaining space on the first floor. And we're also going to see as we walk through the laundry room on the second floor. So everything is upstairs. I do like that.
Yeah, and you have your 2 bedrooms on this side and your master bedroom on this side.
Really nice. Big thing, if you want to connect with Chris and ICI Homes, go to Nocatee.com, click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down to West End, ICI Homes, and then you can find not only this floor plan, but you can connect with Chris as finding the builder. Also, I want to remind you that the quick move-ins and ready now homes can be found on Nocatee.com. So right now, just go to Nocatee.com, type in the search engine, quick move-in home, and you will see this particular Bartram floor plan listed. So we are steps away from the fitness trails that connect you the closest, literally a stone's throw to the YMCA. You are across the street, not far from the Nocatee Splash and Spray water parks. We just had a camp out there last week, so people moving here with kids, that was a fun thing, by the way.
Yeah.
Wine tastings, beer tastings, maintenance free. Bottom line, why you should buy this particular quick move-in, maintenance free. And Chris, ICI Homes doesn't have a lot of townhomes left.
No, we are on the tail end of things. We're about 90% sold out. So they are selling fast. So
I mean, and then guys, this is it. I want to reiterate that there are no more townhomes, single family homes, villas coming. What is here in Nocatee. Nocatee is 94% sold out. So if you do want a townhome here in the town center, which is the heart of Nocatee, call Chris today, because I know that this particular community is going to sell out very quickly. I'm excited for you to be here for right now. It's our colder months, but you could be here next summer when everything really kicks off. So call Chris today, ICI Homes, West End at the Town Center. Bye, guys.
bye.